Hello, today we'll be doing exercise 1.2, expanding brackets. Let's start with question 1 in 1b. To expand the bracket, we simply multiply every term in every bracket with corresponding terms in different brackets. So let's have a look. So I have x plus 4 times x plus 7. So we do x multiplied by x, so that's x squared, and then x multiplied by 7, so that's 7x, and then we'll do 4 times x, which is 4x, and 4 times 7, which is 28. Finally, we need to simplify, so it's x squared plus 11x plus 28. 1b, x minus 3, x plus 2. Again, we'll do x times x, which is x squared, x times 2, so that's plus 2x, minus 3 times x, so that's minus 3x, and minus 3 times 2, minus 6. Let's simplify, so x squared minus x minus 6. 1c, we have x minus 2 squared, which is simply x minus 2 multiplied by itself, so that's x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, so that is x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, let's do question 1d. We have x minus y times 2x plus 3. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 3 is plus 3x. Minus y times 2x is minus 2xy. I want to write them in alphabetical order. Minus 3y. I can't simplify anything anymore, so that's it. 1e. We have x plus 3y multiplied by 4x minus y. So x times 4x is 4x squared. X times negative y is minus xy. 3y times 4x is plus 12xy. 3y times minus y is minus 3y squared. Let's bring together minus xy and 12xy. So that is 4x squared plus 11xy minus 3y squared. Okay, let's carry on. 1f. 2x minus 4y times 3x plus y. So what we get is we get 6x squared plus 2xy minus 12xy minus 4y squared. So that's 6x squared minus 10xy minus 4y squared. 1g. We have 2x minus 3 times x minus 4. So we have 2x squared minus 8x minus 3x plus 12. So that is 2x squared minus 11x plus 12, and 1h. We have 3x plus 2y all squared is equal to, well, that's just 3x plus 2y times itself. Well, 3x times 3x is just 9x squared plus 6xy plus another 6xy plus 4y squared, so that's 9x squared plus 12xy plus 4y squared. Okay. 1i. I have 2x plus 8y times 2x plus 3. That is 4x squared plus 2 times 3 is 6, so 6x plus 16xy plus 24y. 1j. Okay, this will be slightly longer. Let's see. X plus 5 times 2x plus 3y minus 5. So let's multiply x by everything in the second bracket. So that's 2x squared plus 3xy minus 5x. And now let's do the same with the 5 plus 10x plus 15y minus 25. I can simplify slightly, so it's going to be 2x squared plus 3xy plus 5x minus 15y minus 25. Let's bring it here. Okay, so that's 1k. 1k. X minus 1 times 3x minus 4y minus 5. So that's 3x squared minus 4xy minus 5x minus 3x plus 4y plus 5. So that is equal to 3x squared minus 4xy minus 8x plus 4y plus 5. 1L. We have x minus 4y times 2x plus y plus 5. So that is 2x squared plus xy plus 5x minus 8xy minus 4y squared minus 20y. So that equals to 2x squared plus 5x minus 7xy minus 4y squared minus 20y. 1m. X plus 2y minus 1 times x plus 3. So that's x squared plus 3x plus 2xy plus 6y minus x minus 3. So the answer is x squared plus 2x plus 2xy plus 12y plus 6y, sorry, minus 3. Okay. 1n. We have 2x plus 2y plus 3 times x plus 6. So that's 2x squared plus 12x plus 2xy plus 12y plus 3x plus 18. So that's 2x squared plus 15x plus 2xy plus 12y plus 18. Okay, 1 out. 4 minus y times 4y minus x plus 3. So that is 16y minus 4x plus 12 minus 4y squared plus xy minus 3y. So that is equal to 13y minus 4x plus 12 minus 4y squared plus xy. Okay, 1p 4y plus 5 times 3x minus y plus 2. So that is 12xy minus 4y squared plus 8y plus 15x minus 5y plus 10. So that's 12xy minus 4y squared plus 3y plus 15x plus 10. Okay. 2 more to go. 1 cube 5y minus 2x plus 3 times x minus 4. So that's 5xy minus 20y minus 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x minus 12. So the answer is 5xy minus 20y minus 2x squared plus 11x minus 12 and 1r 4y minus x minus 2 times 5 minus y. So let's try. We have 20y minus 4y squared minus 5x plus xy minus 10 plus 2y. So that's 22y minus 4y squared minus 5x plus xy minus 10. Thank you. That's exercise 1b, question 1. Okay, let's continue with question 2. So 2a. Okay, now we will have product of 3 terms. So let's write it out. So that's 5 times x plus 1 x minus 4 equals, let's leave 5 outside. Okay, in here we're gonna have x squared minus 4x plus x minus 4 that equals to 5 times x squared minus 5x minus 4. So that is 5x squared minus 25x minus 20. Okay. Actually, this was minus 3x as we are adding. Sorry for that. That's minus 15x. Okay. Question 2b. We're gonna do it the same way. So 7x minus 2, 2x minus 5 is equal to 7 bracket 2x squared minus 5x minus 4x plus 10. So that will be 7 times 2x squared minus 9x plus 10. So that's 14x squared minus 63x plus 70. Okay. Okay. Question 2c. That's 3x minus 3x minus 3. So that's going to be 3 times x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. So that's 3 times x squared minus 6x plus 9, which is 3x squared minus 18x plus 27. Okay. Question 2d. Exactly the same thing. This time I'll leave the x outside, so let's write it first. X minus y, x plus y. So that is x into x squared minus xy, sorry, plus xy, minus xy minus y squared. Xy disappears, so that's just x cubed minus xy squared, because this and that gives you 0. To e, we have x into 2x plus y, 3x plus 4. Same thing, let's leave the x outside, so we have 6x squared plus 8x plus 3xy plus 4y. Okay, there are no common terms, so that's just gonna be 6x cubed plus 8x squared plus 3x squared y plus 4xy. To f, we have y into x minus 5, x plus 1. So that's y into x squared plus x minus 5x minus 5. Let's do it. So that's y into x squared minus 4x minus 5. So that's x squared y minus 4xy minus 5y. Let's do 2g. So we have y times 3x minus 2y times 4x plus 2. That is y times 12x squared plus 6x minus 8xy minus 4y. Okay, again, no common factors, so just 12x squared y plus 6xy minus 8xy squared minus 4y squared. Let's carry on. 2h. We have y times 7 minus x times 2x minus 5. So that is y times 14x minus 35 minus 2x squared plus 5x. So that equals to y. That's common. The 14x and 5x are common terms, like terms. So that's going to be 19x minus 35 minus 2x squared. So that's just 19xy minus 35y minus 2x squared y. To I have x times 2x plus y times 5x minus 2. That equals to x times 10x squared minus 4x plus 5xy minus 2y. No common terms, so this will be 10x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x squared y minus 2xy. To j, we have x into x plus 2 times x plus 3y minus 4. So that's x times, well, x squared plus 3xy minus 4x plus 2x plus 6xy minus 8. So that's x times x squared. We have 9xy minus 2x minus 8. So that equals to x cubed plus 9x squared y minus 2x squared minus 8x. Okay, 2k. We have y times 2x plus y minus 1 times x plus 5. So that equals to y times 2x squared plus 10x plus xy plus 5y minus x minus 5. So that equals to y times 2x squared plus 9x plus xy plus 5y, take away 5, which of course gives us, this will get long now, 2x squared y plus 9xy plus xy squared plus 5y squared minus 5y. Okay. To L. We have y times 3x plus 2y minus 3 times 2x plus 1. So that's y times 6x squared plus 3x plus 4xy plus 2y minus 6x minus 3. So that equals to y times 6x squared minus 3x plus 4xy plus 2y minus 3. And that equals to 6x squared y minus 3xy plus 4xy squared plus 2y squared minus 3y. Okay. 2m. What we have here, we have x times 2x plus 3 times x plus y minus 5 equals to x times 2x squared plus 2xy minus 10x plus 3x plus 3y minus 15 equals x times 2x squared plus 2xy minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7x plus 3y minus 15, which of course is 2x cubed plus 2x squared y minus 7x squared plus 3xy minus 15x. Okay, question 2n. What we have 2x times 3x minus 1 times 4x minus y minus 3 equals 2x times 12x squared minus 3xy minus 9 minus 4x plus y plus 3. Okay, so that's 2x times 12x squared minus 3xy minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6 minus 4x plus y. So that is 24x cubed minus 6xy minus 12x minus 8x squared plus 2xy. 2o. We have 3x times x minus 2y times 2x plus 3y plus 5. So that means 3x times 2x squared plus 3xy plus 5x minus 4xy minus 6y squared minus 10y. Okay, so that is equal to 3x times 2x squared minus xy plus 5x minus 6y squared minus 10y. Okay, so that is 6x cubed minus 3x squared y plus 15x minus 18xy squared minus 30 x, y. Okay, 2p. Now we will be multiplying 3 brackets out. So let's multiply 2 brackets first and then deal with the third bracket. So we have x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 1. So let's just leave x plus 3 at the moment, times x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2. So that is x plus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I will use the grid method. So let's have a look. So x plus 3, okay, x squared plus 3x plus 2. And now we multiply everything with its corresponding term. So x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3x squared plus 9x plus 6. So the answer is x cubed. I can't get rid of that. Plus 3 and 3, so that's 6x squared. 9 and 2 is plus 11x plus 6. Okay, and now we can cancel that as well. Okay, 2q, so x plus 2, x minus 4, x plus 3. So that's x plus 2 times, we have x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. So that's x plus 2 times x squared minus x minus 12. Same thing again, so that's going to be x squared minus x minus 12, x plus 2. Okay. Oops. So we have x cubed minus x squared minus 12x plus 2x squared minus 2x minus 24. So the answer is x cubed. Boom. Have plus 2 minus 1, so that's plus x squared minus 2 minus 12, so that's minus 14x, and of course minus 24. Okay, 1 second please. Let's carry on with 2r. So it's x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 5. So this is x plus 3 times x squared minus 5x minus x plus 5. So that's x plus 3 times x squared minus 6x plus 5. Let's do it the same way one more time. So x squared minus 6x plus 5 times x plus 3. Remember to put the signs. So we have x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 3x squared minus 18x plus 15. Nice. So that is x cubed. Let's go on that. Plus 3 minus 6 minus 3x squared minus 18 plus 5. That's minus 13x. And of course, plus 15. 2s. Okay, so x minus 5, x minus 4, x minus 3. So that's x minus 5 times x squared. Let's do it slightly faster. It's going to be minus 3x and minus 4. So that's minus 7x plus 12. So now x squared minus 7x plus 12, x minus 5. Okay, so that's x cubed minus 7x squared plus 12x minus 5x squared plus 35x minus 60. So the answer is x cubed minus 5 minus 7, so that's minus 12x squared plus 35 plus 12, so that's plus 47x, and of course minus 60. 2t. We have 2x plus 1 times x minus 2, x plus 1, which is equal to 2x plus 1. And again, let's do it slightly faster. So it's x squared minus 2x plus x is minus x minus 2. Okay, so again, we're going to have x squared minus x minus 2 times 2x plus 1, which is 2x cubed minus 2x squared minus 4x plus x squared minus x minus 2. So the answer is 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2. 2u. Okay, just so that's going to 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 1 times x plus 2. Okay, let's be careful because there are coefficients, so I'm going to do 2x plus 3 times 3x squared plus 6x minus x is plus 5x minus 2. Nothing changes here. It's going to be the same method, 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, 2x plus 3. Okay, so that's going to be 6x cubed plus 10x squared minus 4x plus 9x squared plus 15x minus 6. So the answer is 6x cubed plus 19x squared plus 11x minus 6. 3 more to go. We're nearly there. My hand is hurting now. 2v. So 3x minus 2 2x plus 1, 3x minus 2. Okay. I'm going to be slightly clever about it. I'm going to do 2x plus 1. It doesn't matter which way I multiply. And I'm going to have 3x minus 2 squared, which is 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Again, we have 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. 2x and plus 1. Okay, so that's 18x cubed minus 24x squared plus 8x plus 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. So the answer is 18x cubed. Plus 9 take away 24 is negative 15x squared. Minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4x and plus 4. Okay, again I have a problem with this catching. Okay, 2 more to go. So 2w. Okay, so we have x plus y, x minus y, x minus 1. Okay, we should know from GCSE that this is a difference of two brackets. Okay, so that's just x squared, okay, minus y squared times x minus 1. That's relatively straightforward, so that's x cubed minus x squared minus xy squared plus y squared. And finally, we have a 2x, which is simply 2x minus 3y all cubed. So we're just going to do 2x minus 3y times 2x minus 3y times 2x minus 3y. So that's just 2x minus 3y times, we will have 4x squared minus 6xy minus 6xy, so that's minus 12xy plus 9y squared. And for one last time, let's do the same process as before. So 4x squared minus 12xy plus 9y squared, 2x minus 3y. Okay, so that's 8x cubed minus 24x squared y, that's important, plus 18xy squared, that's plus, not 7, minus 12x squared y plus 36xy squared minus 27y cubed. Okay, we don't have any common factors here because it's 8x cubed. Actually, no, we do. Minus 36x squared y plus 54xy squared minus 27y cubed. That's the second question done. Thank you. Okay, let's carry on. Question 3. We have the diagram shows a rectangle with a square cut out. Rectangle has length 3x take away y plus 4 and the width x plus 7. The square has a length of x minus 2. Find the expanded and simplified expression for the shaded area. So let's find the area of a rectangle first. Area of a rectangle, which is just length times width, which is 3x minus y plus 4 times x plus 7. So that is 3x squared plus 21x minus xy minus 7y plus 4x plus 28. Let's simplify what we can. That is 3x squared plus 25x minus xy minus 7y plus 28. Good. Now let's find the area of a square, which is just x minus 2 times itself. So that's x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so the shaded area, so it's area of rectangle, that looks like a square, area of rectangle minus area of a square, which is 3x squared plus 25x minus xy minus 7y plus 28 minus, let's put that in the brackets because of the negative signs, minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so now we have 3x squared minus x squared is just 2x squared, so that takes care of that and that. Now we have plus 25 minus minus, that's plus 29x, so that takes care of that and that. Minus xy, as there is nothing common in the bracket, minus 7y plus 24, because it's 28 minus 4 plus 24. Okay, we have no units, so it's going to be units squared. Okay, question 4. A cuboid has dimensions x plus 2 centimeters, 2x minus 1 centimeters, and 2x plus 3 centimeters. Show that the volume is 4x cubed plus 12x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay, we can draw a simple diagram of the cuboid. Okay, so like that, something like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Well, definitely isn't perfect in my case. Okay. So let's just not do well. Okay, so it's gonna be x plus 2. Let's call this x plus 2, 2x minus y, and 2x plus 3. Okay, volume of a cuboid is simply width times length times depth. Okay, so let's multiply it. So we'll have x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 3. So that's just x plus 2 times 4x squared plus 6x minus 2x, so that's plus 4x minus 3. Let's do our grid, so it's 4x squared plus 4x minus 3, and it's x plus 2. So what we have is we have 4x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x plus 8x squared plus 8x minus 6. So let's bring it all together. So the answer is 4x cubed plus 12x squared plus 5x minus 6. And of course it's centimeters cubed because it's volume. So the answer is as required. That's the question done. Welcome to question 5. So given that 2x plus 5y times 3x minus y times 2x plus y is ax cubed plus bx squared y plus cxy squared plus dy cubed, where a, b, c, d, and d are constants, find the values of a, b, c, and d. Okay, so let's just do what we did. So multiply out. So I'll leave 2x plus 5y times, well, I'm going to have 6x squared plus 3xy minus 2xy minus y squared. Let's simplify this, so that equals to 2x plus 5y times 6x squared plus xy minus y squared. And again, we'll use the grid, so 6x squared plus xy minus y squared times 2x plus 5y. Okay, so that's 12x cubed plus 2x squared y minus 2x 2xy squared plus 30x squared y plus 5xy squared minus 5y squared. So the answer is 12x cubed plus 32x squared y plus 3xy squared minus 5y squared. Therefore, we have A equals to 12, B equals to 32, C equals to 3, and D equals to -5. Finally, we have the challenge. Expand and simplify x plus y cubed. Okay. Later we'll find that we can do it much easier using binomial expansion, but for now let's use a little trick. So x plus y cubed is basically, using the laws of indices, x plus y squared times x plus y squared. Okay. So what's x plus y squared? Well, that is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared multiplied by itself. X squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Let's do a big grid. So we're going to have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Oops, let's just do it one more time. Times x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay. Okay, let's try what we have. We have x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed y plus x squared y squared plus 2x cubed y plus 4x squared y squared plus 2xy cubed plus x squared y squared plus 2xy cubed plus y to the power of 4, so that equals x to the power of 4, that's gone, plus 4x cubed y, that's done, plus 1 for 1, which is 6x squared y squared, plus 4xy cubed, plus y to the 4. Thank you. That was exercise 1B in algebraic reasoning.